Ever wondered what it's like to build your own horror game from scratch? Hi, I'm Ron, a game developer and a full-time teacher, and this is Just Call Me Ron. Right now I'm building a paranormal investigation game, modeling gear in Blender, scripting ghost logic in Unreal, and crafting eerie, haunted spaces. But it's more than just making a game. This series is built to teach. Whether you're curious about game design, level building, blueprints, or taking a project from concept to publication, I'll be breaking it all down step by step. New episodes drop weekly, covering every shadowy corner of game development, the good, the bad, and the cursed. So you're for dev, a student, or just love a good scare, hit subscribe. Let's build something unforgettable together.